Good morning, dear students. Today we will see the propagation of electromagnetic waves, which we call as space communication. What does it mean? It means the transmitting of wave, receiving of wave, and the processing of the wave from one point to other is called as space communication. ता माने गोटे वेव ट्रांसमिट हेबो रिसीव हेबो आउ को भलिया से ट्रांसमिट है कि रिसीव होउची ताकू कहा जाय स्पेस कम्युनिकेशन और प्रोपागेशन ऑफ EM waves. There are three types of propagation of EM waves. First one is your ground wave propagation. Second one is your space wave propagation. Third one is your sky wave propagation. Okay, so आम पाखे तीन टा टाइप ऑफ प्रोपागेशन ऑफ EM अच्छी ग्राउंड वेव स्पेस वेव आ गोटे स्काई वेव. फिगर इज वेरी इंपोर्टेंट. सपोज यहाँ है आमर अर्थ. One is our transmitting antenna. This one is your transmitting antenna. And suppose this one is your receiving antenna. Okay, एटा है transmitting antenna. Suppose अब एटा receiving antenna अच्छी. ताहले first one is our ground wave propagation. हाँ, name it refers. हाँ, नाटा का जोना पड़ुची जे एटा को भलिया हेथिबा दरकार. Ground wave propagation. What does it mean ground wave? Ground wave is the radio wave which transmits directly from one point to other following the surface of earth. ता माने कोन कहूची ट्रांसमिटिंग एंटीना रो हम कोन करिवु वायर गोटे नै की रखिवु जोटा की सरफेस रे एका जाउथिबो हला. हां आ माने जो देखुछु सरफेस रे वायर गुडा को तळे तळे जो पोती की दियंती सेटा ग्राउंड वेव. गॉट इट. सो ग्राउंड वेव means the radio wave which transmits directly from transmitting antenna to receiving antenna following the surface of earth is called ground wave, and the process of propagation is called ground wave propagation. ता माने एटा जोटा आसुथिबो ग्राउंड वेव रे सेटा कोन कोआ जाय ग्राउंड वेव प्रोपागेशन. ओके, जोटा ग्राउंड रे सरफेस टू सरफेस रे जाए ट्रांसमिटिंग एंटीना थिबो आउ कोठी गोटे रिसीविंग एंटीना थिबो आउ सेटा कोन हबो सरफेस रु सरफेस माने एटा जदी मु एठी पोती की तापर एठी पर्यंत आइली. गॉट इट. इट्स ऑपरेशन ऑफ रेंज इज वेरी लेस. ता माने कोन एटा बहुत कम डिस्टेंस पर्यंत ऑपरेट करा जाय. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज आवर स्पेस वेव प्रोपागेशन. व्हाट डज इट मीन स्पेस वेव? द रेडियो वेव which transmits from transmitting antenna to receiving antenna directly. ता माने ट्रांसमिटर एंटीना एठी अछि और रिसीवर एंटीना जदी एठी अछि ताले एटा डायरेक्टली स्पेस रे जाय के एटा हबो. डायरेक्टली एटा स्पेस रे जीवो. गॉट इट. एंड द प्रोसेस ऑफ प्रोपागेशन इज कॉल्ड स्पेस वेव प्रोपागेशन. गॉट इट. सो दिस इज स्पेस वेव प्रोपागेशन. Space wave is the radio wave which transmits directly from the transmitting antenna to receiving antenna with the help of space. Got it? एटा आउ गोटे प्रकार भी हेपारे ट्रांसमिटर एंटीना रो सैटेलाइट जदी थिबो को जगह रे सैटेलाइट जदी अछि सैटेलाइट को जाई कि मध्य सैटेलाइट रो पुणी फेरी की रिसीवर एंटीना को जदी आसे ताले सेटा को मध्य स्पेस वेव प्रोपागेशन कहा जाय. गॉट इट. नेक्स्ट थर्ड वन इज द स्काई वेव प्रोपागेशन. स्काई वेव प्रोपागेशन रे कोन हुए एठी हमरो स्काई देखा जाय जोटा की आयोनोस्फियर बोली की गोटे थाए. सो ट्रांसमिटिंग एंटीना रू कोन हबो रेडियो वेव टा डायरेक्टली जीवो एठी को आयोनोस्फियर रू पुणी रिफ्लेक्ट हे की आसीबो रिसीविंग एंटीना को. गॉट इट. एटा जाउजी पुणी एटा रिफ्लेक्ट बैक है कि आसुची रिसीविंग एंटीना को आउ एटा को कहा जाए स्काई वेव प्रोपागेशन. एटा को कोन कहा जीवो स्काई वेव प्रोपागेशन. The radio wave which goes directly to the sky and reflected back from the ionosphere to receiving antenna. Okay, that wave is called skywave, and the process of propagation is called skywave propagation. So there are three types of propagation of EM waves. So this is one important topic. Okay, ground wave propagation, space wave propagation, and skywave propagation. Next is our range of the antenna. Range of the antenna. Suppose this one is your earth. This is the center of the earth. This is the radius, and this one is your antenna, and HT is the height of the antenna, transmitting antenna. Let this is the highest point Q, and we have to draw a tangent touching the surface of the earth. Tangent theory kariba jota. Again we have to draw the perpendicular line. So this is the perpendicular. Why? Because it is the tangent and earth is spherical in shape. So eta ame draw kala pore, let this point, let it be P, and again we have to draw a perpendicular line. एठी हम आ गोटे परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्रॉ करिवा जोटे कि एठी इंटरसेक्ट करिवो. सो सपोज वी गिव दिस एज पॉइंट S. ओके, सो हियर वी आर हैविंग, दिस इज योर रेडियस R and this is also radius R. Okay, and this distance PS is your D. Okay, we have to calculate the distance D here. So from the right angle triangle OQP by using Pythagoras theorem, OQ square is equal to what? OQ square equal to PQ square plus OP square. So OQ can be written as what? OQ can be written as OS plus SQ whole square is equal to PQ square. PQ is nearly equal to what? PS, which is equal to D. We have to assume this one. Kaiki transmitting antenna jota height ta, this one is very less as compared to the radius of the earth. Okay, so in terms of PQ we have to write PS whole square plus OP square. So this one can be written as OS plus SQ whole square is equal to PS can be written as D square plus OP can be written as R square. So that implies OS. OS means what? OS is nothing but OS is nearly equal to radius of the earth. So OS is equal to R here plus SQ. SQ is nothing but your, just it will be equivalent to your antenna height. So here we can write SQ is nearly equal to your HT. So we can write this one is your HT whole square is equal to what? D square plus R square. We have to expand this one, R square plus twice HTR plus HT whole square is equal to D square plus R square. Again we have to cancel here R square. So we will get D square is equal to what? 2 HTR plus HT whole square. This equal to HT we have to take common, so this is 2R plus HT. Again we have to take common 2R, so this is 2R HT into this one is 1 plus this one is HT by 2R. So here HT square, 2R will cancel, so this one is HT square and this one is 2R HT, 2 HTR. Okay, but again as HT is very less than R, so it is very much lesser than 2R. So we can neglect HT with comparison to 2R. Okay, so this term will neglect. This term we will neglect here. So we will get D square is equal to what? D square is equal to twice R into HT, where HT is the height of antenna, R is the radius of the arc, and it is multiplication 2. So that implies D is equal to what? Root under of 2I R HT. Okay, this is the range of one antenna. So for two antennas, since we are using here only one antenna, so another antenna will be there, so another distance will come here. So range of two antenna is twice D, which is equal to twice root under 2 R HT. Okay, so this is the range of two antennas, or one transmitting and one receiving antenna. Okay, thank you.